Today, we are going to learn about personal space, especially when we are eating with other people. Let's start with a question. Who do you eat meals with at school or at home?
Hmm.
That's right. We often eat with friends, classmates, or family. Sharing meals can be fun, but it's also important that everyone feels comfortable and safe at the table. Now, think of eating at a table with others as just like the solar system. We humans are the planets in the solar system that are traveling around the sun, which can be thought of as the table. Each planet has its own path, and they don't bump into each other, right? That's just like us, I hope. We do not want to bump into each other. Everyone has their own space, an invisible bubble around them, and it's called personal space. When we respect someone's personal space, we help them feel safe and happy. And if someone gets too close or makes you uncomfortable, it's okay to use your words or your communication device to say, "Excuse me," or "Please give me space." We are now going to learn how to respect someone's personal space when we sit at a table. We will make sure we give others enough space, and we will use polite words to ask for what we want or need. Here are some social rules to remember and follow when you sit at a table and need to give someone personal space while eating. Rule number 1. Ask if it is okay to sit next to someone. Rule number 2. Keep your hands to yourself. Rule number 3. Keep your feet on the floor. Rule number 4. Only touch your own food, drinks, and utensils. Rule number 5. Sit in your chair with space between you and the person next to you. Rule number 6. Ask people to pass food and things you need instead of reaching across the table. All right, students, now that we've talked about what personal space means, let's take a look at our own personal space. Everyone, stretch out your arms like this. Do you have enough space so you're not touching anyone? Great, that's your personal bubble. Next, we're going to practice with our personal space scenario cards. Each card will show a situation that could happen while eating. We'll take turns acting out what to do, how to give space, use polite words, and stay respectful at the table. We will help each other learn how to be kind and respectful during mealtime. Ready to practice? Let's start with our first scenario card. Scenario 1. Mario is eating lunch. He sees that Raj has chips. Mario reaches over and takes a chip from Raj. The chips are Mario's favorite. What is wrong with this scenario? Mario took something that belongs to Raj without asking. This is not respecting personal space or other people's belongings. What should happen in this scenario? Mario should ask Raj politely if he can have a chip. Raj can say yes or no, and Mario should respect his answer. Scenario 2. Mary Beth needs a napkin. The napkins are at the end of the table. She reaches over Keisha's juice to take a napkin. The juice spills. What is wrong with this scenario? Mary Beth reached over someone else's drink, which caused a mess. She didn't respect the space of Keisha's belongings. What should happen in this scenario? Mary Beth should ask Keisha politely if she can reach past her or ask her to hand her a napkin. She should try not to touch or spill anything that belongs to someone else. Scenario 3. Raj is sitting next to Mario at lunch. Mario is talking to Mary Beth. Raj taps Mario on the shoulder over and over. He has something important to tell Mario. What is wrong with this scenario? Raj is invading Mario's personal space by tapping him repeatedly instead of waiting his turn to talk. What should happen in this scenario? Raj should wait until Mario is done talking, then politely get his attention by saying, "Excuse me, I have something important to tell you." Halfway done, students. Great job. Scenario 4. Randy is sitting next to Keisha at lunch. He is playing around and kicks Keisha's chair. Keisha is frustrated. What is wrong with this scenario? Randy is invading Keisha's personal space and making her feel uncomfortable. Kicking her chair is not safe or respectful. What should happen in this scenario? Randy should stop kicking the chair and sit calmly. He should respect Keisha's space and apologize for bothering her. Scenario 5. Keisha is sitting at a table with Raj. Mario walks over. He says, "I want to sit next to Raj." "Move over, Keisha." What is wrong with this scenario? Mario is being rude and demanding instead of respecting Keisha's space. He is not asking politely. What should happen in this scenario? Mario should ask politely, "Can I sit here, please?" and respect Keisha's answer. Keisha can decide if she wants to move or stay. Last scenario, students. Scenario 6. Mary Beth is sitting between Mario and Randy. She keeps bumping her arms against Randy. Randy tells Mary Beth to scoot over. What is wrong with this scenario? Mary Beth is invading Randy's personal space by bumping him repeatedly. What should happen in this scenario? Mary Beth should listen to Randy and move slightly to give him space. She should try to be more aware of others' personal space. Great job, students! We just practiced respecting personal space while eating at the table. Remember to give others enough room, use polite words, and keep our hands to ourselves. This helps everyone feel comfortable and safe. Think about these skills the next time you eat in the cafeteria, at home, or at a restaurant. I am proud of how hard you worked today. Keep practicing these skills every day, students. Also, thanks for stopping by the Miles Ahead classroom. And remember, because you stopped by, you are already miles ahead. See you next time, students.